Hi there, in this short tutorial I would like to show you how you can easily get benchmark information around capital planning scenarios for most of the cities in North America. So here under cost profiles we have created three different building profiles: a retail strip 24,000 square feet, office tower 250,000 square feet, and an industrial dry industrial 80,000 square feet. So let's open up one of these buildings. See, once you select the building profile, you have the option to select a different city to run the analysis, inflation rate, and year of the analysis. So let's say we would like to run for Las Vegas. The next stop here in the capital schedule, you'll see the application is going to bring up all the equipment in that building. And you can see all the replacement costs based on actual prices. You can see all the future costs. Under the detailed cash flow, it's going to do a 30 years cash flow projection for you. You have the option to input some expenditures, some capital expenditures in a specific year. The application will automatically recalculate all the future costs for you. Here under analytics, so you can run different what if scenarios. If you'd like to select a different city to see how to analyze the CapEx and OpEx cost in the different city, just select from the drop-down menu, and the application is going to recalculate all the costs for you automatically. If you want to select, let's say, another building profile, a retail strip, this is in Portland. So this will be the OpEx and CapEx profile for 30 years for this building. Let's look at the equipment in this building. So this will be the replacement schedule. This is this building was built in 2014. We see that in year 5 we have to spend 169,000. Based on inflation, it's going to be $187,000. By quickly just making some assumptions, anyone can run different what-if scenarios and to benchmark their own properties against our benchmark, or they can use this tool for underwriting purposes. So in the next tab here, I would like to show you how to create a capital planning for a 25 years capital planning. We have created the same building profiles, the same office tower, warehouse, and retail strip. And we're gonna see a portfolio analysis. So let's look at the office tower here. This office tower is from a specific city. It's from Fort Worth in the United States. So this will be the capital schedule for this building. As you can see, this was built in 2010. It's an office tower, 250,000 square feet. This will be the replacement cost of all the equipment that we have in the building as of today's dollars. Got the cash flow. The recapitalization rate will give you the amount of money that you have to set aside to recapitalize the building each year. And this will give you all the analytics to run various scenarios. Now let's look at the other buildings. Let's maybe quickly look at the retail strip. Okay. So this is from Portland, a retail strip in Portland, 24,000 square feet. So this will be the cash flow. This will be all the analytics for this specific building. Now let's group all these three buildings together and look at the portfolio. So this option here will bring all the buildings under one big portfolio. Now we can see the entire capital schedules for the entire portfolio with accurate information about how much money you have to spend a specific year. That's going to bring up the replacement schedule based on the life cycle of each equipment. open analytics. This option here, you can see the entire portfolio. You can see all the CapEx requirements for the next 25 years. Thank you.